So in this session, we will learn a tool called Bone Tool, and it is here. Very easy tool, very useful in animation. You can create lot of animations using just this tool. You're not going to use any classic tween, motion tween, symbol, nothing. Like very simple. You can do some animations, and especially infographic animation, you can try very neatly. Now I have here one box. Okay, all these are done like movie clip. I'll show you again. So I'll take some objects, draw, sorry, and make it symbol movie clip. So Bone tool works only with the symbol and movie clip symbol. Okay, it won't work for normal group or anything. So I'll copy this. Just imagine some mechanical kind of thing now. I'll keep it here. 3. I'll make it little small so it fit your work area. Okay. Done. So there are 3 objects now. I'll start using the Bone tool. Okay, when you go to 3D, you learn something called inverse kinematic and IK and FK. So that is the point. Like when you're working, like or when you move your hand, we'll understand like how that your hand will be moving with the pivots. If I drag the part 1, it will take all the part another 2 parts with you. Same time when you push your hand, even elbows will move inside. That is the basic point, like IK and FK. So that will be learning here. I'll take Bone tool. I just click. So you'll get a bone. I'll click again here and I'll click again here. Now these points, they are our pivot points. If you check like transform tool, I'll take transform tool for each Q. 1 second. See this is your pivot point. Whatever, these pivot points are very important, and see it will connect to that pivot points. Now simply click on the first one and move, try, see how it is working. Okay, this is all about Bone tool. So we've not done any classic tween or shape tween or motion tween. Now you want to change this position, press Q and move this pivot point here. Now again back to move tool, see it works. This is all about Bone tool, basics of Bone tool. I'll show there are some simple things like if you want to move this pivot point, you have to press Q and you can move your pivot point. So it works there. Okay. If I press Alt, like you can merge all this. Each object you can move it using Alt like this. See. So if you have that pakka half circle, you can see it is called inverse kinematic. If I take this and move, see automatically those 2 bones are moving. Same time when I'll bring this to like a normal hand animation, see. Okay. So if I press shift, you can, like if I press shift and I move, see only this bone is moving. That one more bone is not moving. If I press shift here and see this is the main bone, this will be moving. If I press shift and move this will be moving. If I press shift, only this bone is moving. So they're all connected. So shift, alt, all those things are shortcut keys you will be using when you're animating. Okay, now it is moving. So what is the animation now? It's very simple. Just imagine I have taken here. Go to some frames, F5. Anywhere you want to edit, just click and move this bone. See the timeline. It automatically takes keyframe there. See here. Just go to one more frame. Just move this. See. It is animating. Go to one more frame. I'll move it. Okay, so see the animation. Very simple. In one layer you can create lot of animations using this Bone tool. Okay, I'll do it again now. So first we'll try with these boxes only. Maybe I'll take some oval shape kind of thing so it is easy to understand. I'll push this. Wait. So we'll create a very nice, very smooth animation with this. 1 second. Okay. So I'll remove outlines. I'll take this only, Control D, I'll keep this side. Okay, so this is one piece. Right click, convert to symbols, movie clip. Very important, movie clip. Okay. Then I'll take one more copy of that, like this. I'll take one more copy. So I will start with the three things like this. So directly I'm taking Bone Tool, click, see it will take all these original pivot points only. So if you want to move it, it will move like this. So what we will do, we'll change the pivot points. How? Transform tool or Q. So take this single, one second, and I'll keep this point here. This one I'll keep this point here. This is the OK because this is the first one. See now. So it works with that points. Okay, we'll keep all things safely. Press Alt and you can keep neatly like this. Even you want to change the pivot points, again press Q, transform tool, and you can keep it neatly. It's very important. Okay, now see, it works. Like you can work like a hand or some machines, some robots, you can try, not even hand. So like if you want to move only this, press shift, so only this part will be moving, this particular hand will be moving. There are a lot of properties and all, those things we learn later, not now. At least basics you should know this much. Now how to animate this? Go, press F5 wherever you want to edit first, then directly there is no F6 needed, you just move that. Wherever, just go to some particular frame and just move it. See? And play with the timing. I'll go here again, I'll say F6 and I'll make it straight. See? There is no layers, no tweening, no motion tween, no symbol, no layers, nothing. Very, very easy to animate. See? Okay, so this is all about Bone Tool, and I'll show one more example with this. I'll close this. I'll take this like a JCB kind of thing. So I have taken these separate parts, and I'll make everything like movie clip. Right click, convert to symbol, movie clip. And when you're converting only, you can create pivot point. Here there are small dots. You can do that, no problem. Or you can do it later also. Convert to symbol, movie clip, okay. Right click, convert to symbol, movie clip, okay. Now click and take transform tool, pivot points. It will be here. This pivot point will be somewhere here. This will be here, and this pivot point will be here, somewhere here. So I'll keep this here. Don't worry about going back, send backward and all. Once it is done, later also you can try. So I'll click this. First I'll create bone. So I'll take bone tool from here till this, here and here. Now at this point you can set like arrange backward, all those things. Click, right click, arrange, send to back. All those things you can do it here also, no problem. Now you see, it is working. Yes, see, so neatly it is working. Okay, it is working. I'll try, see. So as usual, if you want to change the pivot points, press Q. And if you want to edit the object, press Alt, and you can edit wherever you want, you can fix it. Okay. And if you want to move only this handle like this, press Shift. Or if you want to move only this, you can press Shift, like controlling each handle. Now I'll create a small animation with this. So press Shift, okay. So this is the first frame. I'll give from some frames F5. I'll go here, 15th frame, and I'll take this up like this. I'll go to some frames and see that it is digging somewhere there. And I'll go to some 50th frames and I'm coming back. And 70th frame maybe we'll have like this. See the animation. Later play with the timing, ease in, ease out, all those things. But see, single layer, Everything is done. Now if you feel like it is going to throw somewhere, go here. Again, I'll put some F5, and in this frame, I'll make it, no, it has to go front before dumping, something like this, or imaginations. Then it will dump there, whole thing. See, from here go. Then one more frame, let it come inside and close. Even, sorry, can close this. See? Okay, I'll play this video. So this is very, very easy technique using Bone Tool. I'll save this file and I'll share the file. Okay. Now, how to try this for human character? Okay, I have one character here again. It's a robot kind of thing, and each body parts are separate. You can see like this is separate. Okay, everything is separate. Now we'll try that bone to this character. So first we need movie clip. So select, right click, convert to symbol, movie clip. Okay. Even you can give names when you are converting. It is very, very easy. Very important to give names. Right click, convert to symbol. Pivot points and all we can change later. Just convert to symbol first. Movie clip, convert to symbol, movie clip, convert to symbol, movie clip. See, all these things you have to practice. It's not like just watching a movie and to say, wow, it is good. No, when you practice, you will understand how the things are working. Now, again, here's like the human body, right? So I'll start from here to head, and I'll give from here to the hands, from there down hand. Same thing like this. This is the main pivot. From here, this leg, and below. Same thing here, like this. Okay, like a skeleton. Now, I'll do that send to backward, all those things. So I can take everything, right click, arrange send to backward, send to back. Here it is good. Head we can say back. Done. Over. See, one click, full rigging is over. Now you want to try animation, see. You can. See. See, don't do like this, but slowly with the proper keyframing, you can do the animation part. See. It's very easy. Slowly, you have to take the control. Then give a lot of keyframes and you can animate. You want to move head, you can see. You can move head. Actually, later you will see there in properties you can give like how many frames. What is the position and scaling. There is a lot of options. You can work on that. So it will be like only 20-degree movement, not like whole thing is moving. All those things you can manage later. But first practice this much. See, if you want to move the whole body, you can move. Okay. Now I'll do a small animation with this. I'll try. So again, see there are no layers. It's very easy. So I'll go here, F5. I'll say I'll just move this hand. Maybe I can press shift and you just control from here. See? Hi. Like this. I'll go here. If you want to move leg, can move, see? It's very easy to animate. I'll go here. I'll move this leg Little like this. See, maybe we can have some nice dance moves using this tool to practice with. So shift, control, all these things are also very important when you're animating. Okay, so if you want to come back again, you can copy all the frames. I'll just try. Right. You can come back to normal frames anytime. So this is like inverse. See, I'm taking only the foot part and I'm moving. So whole leg is controlled by that. See. Okay. You can do a lot of character animation also using these tool only. Or here you can have two more points. Like shoulder, you can have two more bones. Even the pelvis, you can have two more bones and you can work, no problem. See. Like this, you can animate using this particular bone tool. Okay. Thank you.